Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Ilya, and I have him on his knees. I've got my leg in front of him, and I am trying to get him to prop on one hand and play with the other. They say that Ilya, who is 9 months old, 1 month premature, that he can get on his hands and knees by himself, but he's not going anywhere. He's rocking, but in order to go someplace, you have to be able to pick up one hand to be able to play. So I'd love for one hand to prop and one hand to play. I know it, goodness gracious. This kind of play is what he needs a lot of, propping on one arm and playing with the other. Whew. Let's see, this toy is so tricky that maybe a different one that you could prop on one hand and play with the other. There. Woo! And this one's a little better because the other one he really wanted to grab. Prop on one hand and play with the other. There you go. Woo! And I'm just helping support him a little bit. I see it. Woohoo! I see. Oh! Oh! All right, can you do it? Prop on one hand, and I see. So I'm just helping him get the feel of that. I hear it. Is that such hard working? So from hands and knees, try to find a way, a toy that you can get him to help him prop on one arm and play with the other. I know you love them so much. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.